It's Sandy, Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really fun hula hoop photo frame. What we have here is a hula hoop. And this hula hoop I just got from, Walmart, Target, wherever. Pretty much every place in the summer has hula hoops and in the spring. Dollar store even. This one's a plastic one. The plastic ones are better than the cardboard ones because the cardboard ones tend to fold in on themselves. But this is what we're using as a base. Normally I would probably tape it up so that I had, all black on the inside. But because I wanted you to see it, I did not. So you see it's just a normal hula hoop that you can buy at the dollar store, $2 store, or $5 store, or if you buy it out of season, it might be $7 or $8 store. And so what we're gonna do is, this is a casino theme one. We wanna make it look like a chip, a casino chip. And then, it's a kind of a frame, people can hold it and take their pictures. So we are going to do this in green and white. And I've got my green balloons here and my white balloons here. And I'm actually going to sit for this because I'm old. And we got balloons going everywhere. All right, so for this pattern, we're gonna have 3 green to 1 white. For this, we are going to use 5-inch balloons. They're inflated to about 4.5 inches. And of course, we're gonna take our duplet, which is 2 balloons tied together. And we're gonna take our other duplet, which is still 2 balloons tied together, and we are going to twist them together to make a quad. And then we're gonna drop it. Okay, and then we are going to just twist it right onto our hula hoop. And for this pattern, we're gonna do 4 green, 1 white, 4 green, 1 white, all the way around. Green, and then we are going to place our white. Okay, so here we go. We have the basics of our, casino chip, but we want to dress it up a little bit more. The main idea that I want to impart to you guys is that you can dress it up, not that you have to do it the way I'm doing it. And actually, these numbers are a little bit small for this. Anyway, so we just kind of want to make this a $100 chip. I would actually get the larger numbers if you're going to do this. So what we're going to use here is we've got these sticky tabs. And these sticky tabs, you just take it, it's a little square, and you put it on. And I just love these things. I use them for everything. And then you're just going to peel off the backing. These tiny little numbers that I'm using, these are from the school board area, where you buy things for your kid's science fair project. So that's our dollar sign. And we want to make it $100, that it's worth $100. 1. You can spice it up with, you could put some card fans. Actually, yeah, let's put some card fans on it. Thanks. Oh yeah, let's do some big card fans. That's a good idea. So here we have Mary, who's bringing us some of these big card fans. These are just the jumbo cards, and we've just arranged them into suits, like we did in some of the other casino themed things. We'll put one more on, and then I'll show you how you use this thing. But basically, this is not a photo frame that this is like a photo booth prop that people can hold up and, get close and smile and be in it. So here you go. This is the casino chip. So if you like this, please click the like button. Tell me what else you want to know, what else you want to learn, and subscribe to my channel. Tell everyone else you know to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you pick up a copy of my book, The DIY Balloon Bible Themes and Dreams, where you can find the written instructions for this. And until next time, go forth and balloonify.